Upwork allows freelancers to withdraw earnings once funds are available after the client's payment security period is cleared. Upwork's 2026 rules require a 5-day clearance period before freelance earnings can be withdrawn. Payout options include direct to local bank Dog0, 99 fee, free US Act transfers, and third-party wallets like PayPal Doc1 fee or Payoneer. Freelancers can automate payouts on weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly schedules, and funds left in the wallet for over 180 days are automatically dispersed. Scale your AI models with deep infra, starting with a free tier offering 180 cents in sign-up credits, or scale further with pay-as-you-go pricing for high usage. For dedicated needs, get the deploy plan starting from $10 per GPU, or unlock customized enterprise features with their custom pricing plan. Reddit users say Upwork is great for finding freelance work, especially in digital 3D design, but success depends on having strong skills and portfolio. The credit bidding system can make competition harder, but overall it is considered better than many other freelance platforms. Overall, withdrawals are flexible and reliable, but timing depends on payment clearance and the selected withdrawal method. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.